This is Saxon Algebra 2, Lesson 9, Example 9.1 in the book. The question is, the wood nymphs and the maids gamboled and frolicked before the banquet began. If 70% of those present were wood nymphs and 120 maids were present, how many wood nymphs came to the banquet? So the first thing I'm going to do is draw my picture. And I've got 70% wood nymphs. So that means there's 30% left, and they said that there are 120 maids there. And I know that my total, it's not given to me yet, so I'm going to just call it T. So with these problems, I know I'm dealing with parts to whole, so I'm going to go and see which of my formulas I'm going to use. And I know that I'm dealing with percents, so I'm going to decide to pick one of these. So I'm going to use this one so that I can write two comparison formulas, and you'll see why in just a minute. So it's going to be P over 100 times of equals is. So I'm going to use for my formulas P over 100 times of equals is. And I actually have two number sentences that I can write here. The first one is 70 over 100. So 70% of my total is my wood nymphs, because 70% of my total is the wood nymphs. So then my other formula that I can write is going to be about the maids. So 30% is really 30 over 100 of my total equals my maids. And I do have a number for my maids. So I can't solve for this one yet because it has two variables, so I'm going to solve for this one, and when I do, I get T equals 400. So I have 400 total at the banquet. But I still want to know how many wood nymphs there are, so I'm going to put T into that formula. So I have 70 over 100 times 400 equals my wood nymphs. And when I solve that, I get 280 wood nymphs.